Hello everybody, welcome to another Valheim video. Today I'm here with Gasoth, and he's going to be telling you about the next building competition hosted by the Planeswalkers.
We do have an upcoming build competition. It's going to be on the 20th and 21st of June. This particular build competition, we're doing Treetop Village. So I've been doing a lot of channeling my inner Ewok. It begins at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you check our events calendar, and it will tell you at what time we're beginning in the time zone that you're in. Hammers will start swinging about 4:30 on Friday, and you will have 24 hours until 4:30 p.m. on Saturday, with the last 2 hours of it being streamed by the leader of the Planeswalkers, Mr. Bjorno. And we will have some wonderful judges come over and take a look at the builds. We'd be happy to have everyone. You can pop over to the More Gaming Discord and sign up for the event. If you are doing a team build, one of you must be present for the judging. If you're doing just by yourself, then you yourself must be present for the judging. JP here has been one of our judges in the past, and we hope he will again at some time in the future. But the 20th and 21st, Treetop Village building competition put on by the Planeswalkers and sponsored in part by Helga's navigational needs. If you lost it, Helga can find it, and tell him Ragnar sent you for 10% off.
Honestly, I'm very happy to support these building competitions. One of the ways that people really get more hours out of the game is by some kind of communal participation. So even though a building competition is like technically a competition, at the end of the day, people end up just having a good time, meeting other people, and learning a lot about how to build more interesting things in Valheim. The styles change and how people react to them and teach each other new techniques, and over time it changes, and which biomes resources they prefer, and how the culture is changing now because the Ashlands has been out for a while. So you see the Ashlands influence on the Valheim build, and it shapes it, it changes it. And I love seeing all this. It's really, really cool. So if you've ever thought about participating in a building competition, I really encourage you to. Like, it's not even about like necessarily winning or not winning. It's the act of participating in itself is a very enriching experience. It's something a lot of people enjoy.
You never know what wild and crazy shenanigans you're going to see in a build. We had someone spell their name with their build in the last competition. And it was very interactive. All of the letters were rooms, little secret areas in there. But pun intended, we really do hope to take our building competition to new heights with the next one, with the Treetop Village build competition. Even if you just come over for our build competitions and that's all you do with the Planeswalkers, we'd be happy to have you. I've been with the group about 2 years. I am one of the leaders. And it's been a whole lot of fun. To participate on a big stage at Valcon was just, it was amazing, and renewed my love for building in this particular game.
I think a lot of builders in particular have that experience in Valheim. Maybe they can make things and they like the things that they've made, but people get to this point where it feels hollow. It feels like they can make something, but it doesn't really matter. And I think that's where the competitions help, because they sort of satisfy that usage, that purpose of the building, right? It's not like people are going to be playing in the building all the time, but people will look at your building and share photos of it and, explore it and do the competition thing. And that alone, I don't know, I feel like it makes it more satisfying. What do you think?
Well, and we have builders build functional basic buildings all the way up to folks like Mythic that have participated in our competitions. Epic would not even begin to describe his builds. He just has an eye for where things should go.
So, just so you all have a good idea of what to expect, and correct me if I'm wrong here, Gatoth, but basically, the event starts, and then they have 24 hours from that point to build on the server. They are allowed to use build camera, but no other mods, so aside from build camera, it's vanilla. And once that 24-hour period ends, one of them needs to be available to present what they did to the judges. And the judges get given a little tour of each build, and we tally up our scores. And then after we've seen everything, we reflect on everything relative to each building, finalize our scores, and then submit them.
Well, while you guys are deliberating, we do run a community poll, and the community gets to vote on which builds are, the ones that they preferred over all the other ones. And where that comes into play is, say there's just two super awesome builds and they are tied neck and neck or a half a point apart, then the community vote is factored in to determine the winner. I do want to make one correction. We do have actually a mod pack. It does contain VNEI and the build camera. Why VNEI is important is once you're in the game, you can go into F1, which is your console command there, click on your VNEI, scroll to the bottom, and click Enable Cheating. What that allows you to do is spawn in things like wood and tar, resin, things that you may need to decorate or light your building. And we've done that so that those with admin don't spend their time zipping back and forth between people's builds, because people are like, hey, I got 19 fires over here, but no wood. So, it'll allow you to spawn in the things that you need. And if you're not familiar with how VNEI works, no worries. We can talk you through that. We can tell you how to spawn a single item into your inventory, or you can shift right click and it'll spawn a stack of that item. That's the only thing that we use that is different than what JP had mentioned. And if you've never used build camera, it will change your life. I swear to you, it will change your life. I hate building without build camera.
All right, everybody. That's all the info we've got for now. If you want to join, then check out the Planeswalkers Discord, and you can get that link in the description of this video or on their YouTube channel, etc., etc. And I hope that you participate. As I mentioned, these building competitions are really fascinating, and now that I've seen more of them, I see why people enjoy them. It's a really good catalyst for getting to know other people in the Valheim community and learning from them.
Well, thank you so much again, JP. I am Gatoth the Grey of the Planeswalkers, and I am the event organizer for this particular event. Once you're in our Discord, if you have any further questions that are not being answered, you can feel free to message me directly or put them in the Discord chat, and I will get back to you with those answers.
Awesome. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.